4-inch concrete slab performed by Shafran Construction. As you can see, 2500 psi mixed, 4 inches with caution tape. We excavated the area about 4 to 6 inches. We dug and removed all the debris, formed the area with 2x4s in pieces of plywood and stakes. Then we went ahead and we installed number 3 rebar, which has got 3/8, or which is 3/8 in diameter. And then we poured a concentration of 2500 psi to code on this concrete slab. And in the middle, as you can see, there's an expansion joint. The expansion joint is basically to cut the tension, the lateral tension of the slab. This way, if there's a crack, it's going to basically break off at the middle of the slab, and it's not going to continue to the adjacent slab. Once it was semi-dry, we went ahead and went with a wet broom. We applied the broom strokes to give it the broom finish, so it gives you the texture when you step onto it. Again, another project performed by Shafran Construction. Hopefully this video gave you a little bit of insight about concrete slabs. Thank you.